Hi there, students. Posture. Okay, so firstly, a posture, a countable noun. Okay, these are different postures. Very often people have said that I have rather bad posture. Yeah, normally my shoulders are forward and my head's forward. I don't have a good erect posture. So posture, the position or the normal position of your body, the normal way that you stand. Yeah, the way that you hold your shoulders, your neck and back. Yeah, and that's a posture. So yeah, I've got rotten posture. If you've got bad posture, it leads to a bad back as well. And then you can use this word posture metaphorically to talk about the position that you hold, the way that you think. So what is your posture on this matter? He has a very aggressive posture when it comes to enforcement. Yeah. I think we are adopting a posture that is far too defensive. Yeah. What is your posture concerning this matter? So what is the way that you think about this? How do you think this should be dealt with? What do you think should be done? Okay, so posture. And then we have to posture as a verb. And this is more than just posture. This is to behave in a way that's intended to attract interest, to attract people, yeah, or to try to make people believe something that is not true. So very often, politicians say things, but they don't actually mean them. They are just posturing. So very often in a dispute, both sides start posturing. Yeah? Well, I'm really upset about this. Well, I don't really care, but I'm going to get some money if I can show that I'm upset enough. So it's to act in a way to attract attention or to make people believe something that is not necessarily true. Yeah? For example, in a war or an area where there are a lot of conflict between the two countries, there is a lot of posturing. Yeah, if you move your troops forward, we will send back missiles. Yeah, if you don't move from this area, remove yourselves from this area, we're going to bomb you, we're going to use nuclear weapons, we're going to do this. Unless you mean it, if it's just saber rattling, look at me, look how dangerous I am, yeah, without the intention to really do it, then this is posturing. Yeah, I guess you could posture as well in front of the mirror. Yeah, trying positions that are going to make you look good, that you're going to be able to attract attention. Yeah, I tried all sorts of postures in the mirror to see if I could find one that I thought the girls were going to notice me. Yeah, okay, so the posture though, to assume an attitude, yeah, or to pretend an attitude to try to gain an advantage, yeah. So come on, stop posturing and tell me what you really want in this. Okay, so to posture, yeah, the sitting position. Let me. God, I can't hold that posture. Yeah, you can make your stomach look flatter by using a better posture. What is your posture towards abortion? Yeah, what's your attitude, your feeling, the way you think about it? Yeah, and then somebody who's posturing, you're saying that you don't approve of their behavior because they're just trying to give an impression in order to trick people, to deceive people. Yeah, they're posing, they're pretending. Yeah, politicians are very famous for posturing, yeah, to say what they're going to do, but then they don't actually do it, yeah, just so that they look good. So I think that's probably enough. Let's see. Formality. He was posturing in front of the mirror. I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Italian postura, which comes from Latin positura, position or situation. Yeah, so yeah, the position, that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Posturing.